She is an award-winning actress, producer, director, and once was a desperate housewife. Today, this passionate powerhouse, she's here, opening up about her new role as a mom. And she's spilling the details on a health secret that even surprised me. Please welcome Eva Longoria. You look absolutely marvelous.
Thank you. How are you?
Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Hi.
Oh my goodness. It has been. Hey, we're so excited to see you today.
Oh,
jumping up and down.
Thank you. I'm so excited to be here.
Well, it's been 5 years. You got
Since I've been here.
Yes, you went off and got married, had a baby.
A lot has happened, Dr. Oz.
How are you adjusting to motherhood?
Amazing. He's amazing. He's the best baby in the world.
Look
so
at
I'm
him.
really lucky.
Santiago, right?
Santiago, yeah.
So cute.
Thank you. Yeah, it's great. Motherhood's great.
So how do you go from having a baby to within 3 months? I mean, look, 3 months postpartum, she's on a runway. How's that possible?
Well, I'm not a model.
Wow, you look pretty good there.
Thank you, thank you. No, it takes a village, by the way. I had 5 Spanx on. I had like 10 girls, like with 4 people getting me into it. Like I was like, zip it up! So yeah, I'm like a normal human being, like everybody else. I hate diet, I hate exercise, I hate having to do it, but at the end of the hard day is worth it.
There's a picture of Santiago you asked us to show. This is a photo of you breastfeeding.
Yes, at work. I was directing.
Explain how that is. You're a busy mom.
Yeah.
Trying to obviously get your career's thriving.
Yeah.
Why post a picture of you breastfeeding at work?
I'm not a pioneer. Women work all the time and have babies and, you know, balance it all. And so I had went back to work. He was 2 months old and I had to go back I was directing and I said, oh, it'll be easy because it's just directing. At least I don't have to be in front of the camera and looking amazing yet. And it was harder. I was like, why am I doing this? So I was still breastfeeding, not sleeping, up every 3 hours during the night. He was sleeping great, but I wasn't. But yeah, you know, I post all the time about him because I'm so happy that he's here on this earth. But at the same time to go, oh, okay, you know, you can, women multitask all the time.
Are you happy enough to have more children?
That's too soon to ask me that question.
Pretty good at it. Let me ask you about women in general, since it is the big challenge I think we face today in America. Women are doing 15 things at once, including rearing kids.
Yeah.
You've been very outspoken in your desire to have more women go into what you call STEM, which is the word we use for science, technology, engineering, math. I mean, women to be in science. Mm-hmm. Why do you believe having a science education is so critical, not just for those women, but for their families?
Well, you know, that's where the future work is going to be, is in these STEM fields. And so my foundation focuses on preparing specifically Latinas to go into these fields because there's going to be, just this year alone, there's going to be 1 million computing jobs available. So for every person who comes out of college with a STEM degree, there's going to be 4 jobs waiting for them. Where if you come out with a different degree, there's 4 people waiting for that one job. Yeah. And so it's like that's the future workforce of our country. So let's educate them early, and also we want women to have economic mobility, economic independence, and those are the jobs that are going to do it.
So why is that message not heard by women already?
Says the actor.
Says the actor. That's right. Although, that might be where it needs to go because I think women do believe they can become actors or you know do jobs that are highly competitive.
Yeah.
And they give up the opportunity to do all the other great stuff. Why is that message not out there?
Yeah, well, I think also, you know, with social media, everybody thinks, oh, I can just be famous. So I think it's finding something that you love. It's because it's not just about making money. It's about what am I going to be good at? What am I going to be happy to get up every day and do?
In the arts, there also has been an interesting bias against women in some positions, like director of photography, which is the person who makes the picture look beautiful. You fought hard to have a woman serve that role in a recent project of yours.
Yes, I produced a show called Grand Hotel that's coming out soon, and I wanted a female cinematographer. I wanted a female DP on this show, and they were like, Bob's great and John's great, and I'm like, I'm sure they're great, but I'm sure there's a great woman too. And sure enough, we found her, Allison Kelly. She's amazing. And I think it's not going to change. It's not going to change unless we change it, unless we demand it. And so we have to have women at the table.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.